just had a beautiful spot today by the Lake of the Woodlands on the little fingers. Change up. I don't usually use hard baits, but I'm trying to get better at them. This is a bluegill color, H2O. It says it right on the square bill there, 2 to 5 foot. Main forage around here is for bass and such, are going to be a mix between bluegill and then I'd also do shad color. I'm over here, there's a little turtle over here chasing minnows for food. That's pretty funny. One of my goals today is just to try to catch a fish. Hard bait would be fun because I, like I said, don't use hard baits very often, and yeah, it's neat to kind of get better at something. This is just slowly retrieving it. It's so hot and the water's probably over 80 degrees, so it's like, you know, are they really going to be mowing it hard? Now I don't know how deep it is under there. I feel like, yeah, it's only like, yeah, it's like a foot deep right there. But then it gets a little deep. Oh no! Oh, I saw a largemouth. Probably, yes, a largemouth, but a large open mouth. Just, it thought it bounced off a rock, man, but it came over the lip of that bridge. I didn't realize it, but there's a lip right here. It goes from shallow to deeper. And that fish was hanging out right on that lip. And he lazily ate the shit out of that. I mean, just barely. Which is really funny to me. Come on, buddy. You're not going to come back and hit it? No, you're not, because I stung you once, and you usually don't like to come back. These fish, fool me once kind of situation, you know. You fool them once, you sting them once, and the odds of them coming back is pretty low. I really can't believe that just happened. Well, actually, you know, I can believe that happened, and I'm gonna try my best to catch that fish. Thank you. And let's, oh no. Come on, hit it hard. Hit it hard. I just pause it, maybe? Yep, that worked. Got it on the pause. Oh yeah. And boat flip. All right, guys. That was, oh, look at that. Okay. All right, folks. I did not hurt him too bad. I ended up getting all the hooks out with no problem. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Very feisty fish. Yeah. Gonna let him go out on his own. There he goes. All right, good stuff, good stuff. Hello. Hello, ducks. It is I. Yes, yes. You're very angry. Coming over here to catch a fish, hopefully. You are a whiny hen. Huh. I hear you over there, Missy.